How to create a Pareto column chart in Google Sheets. Introduction to Pareto column chart. Select the Pareto column chart. Select the sheet holding your data. Select metric columns. Select dimension column. Click on the Create Chart button. Pareto column chart is created successfully. How to configure a chart. Pareto column chart data requirements. You need between 0 to 1 column of categorical data to create a Pareto column chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need between 1 to 2 columns of numerical data to create a Pareto column chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, first, we will create a Pareto column chart with 2 columns as follows. 1 column containing categorical data. 1 column containing numerical data. Later, we will add a second numerical data column. Important: Pareto column chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Select the Pareto column chart. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select Metric Sales Quarter 1. Select Dimension Products. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in Start Row and End Row text boxes. Currently we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Pareto column chart is created with numerical and categorical data columns. We will add more rows to the data. Select Metric Sales Quarter 1. Select Dimension Products. Click on the Create Chart button. Data from rows 7 to 10 is grouped and labeled as rest. This setting is configurable. Now, we will add second numerical data column. This is an optional feature. Select Metric Sales Quarter 2. Click on the Create Chart button. Pareto column chart is created with 2 numerical and 1 categorical data columns. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the Bar Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Rest section to group rows 7 to 10 and label them as Rest. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Chart Header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Axis Left Properties pane to edit the properties. Click on the Label text section to prepend $ as a prefix to the numbers. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Legend Properties pane to edit the properties. Click on the Box section to change the color of the boxes. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on, enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo chart list. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.